What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today we're taking a look at the JBL GO 3. This is another new addition to the JBL Bluetooth speaker lineup. I recently did a review on the Extreme 3, so if you haven't seen that video, feel free to check it out after you watch this one. So the JBL GO 3 is a much more casual, smaller Bluetooth speaker compared to the Extreme 3, and it's also a lot more affordable, coming in at only 40 bucks. Like always, after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing one, feel free to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. If it's your first time to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. We're going to cover all the details to hopefully help you decide if the JBL GO 3 is a good option for you. Also, throughout the video, feel free to check out the timestamps down in the description as well. So you're getting a pretty straightforward unboxing experience. In addition to the speaker, you're also getting a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a closer look at the speaker, it's got a nice, easy to handle square shape. You got your JBL branding right in the middle, and the overall materials of the speaker feel nice and durable. So if you're throwing this in and out of a gym bag or a backpack, it's going to stand up to a lot of wear and tear with no problems. On the left side, you can see you have this loop, which is just going to make it easier to carry around. On the bottom, you've got some rubber feet to help keep the speaker nice and stable whenever you set it down. And then over on the right side, you can see you have your power button as well as your Bluetooth pairing button. And then you can also see you've got some GO 3 branding there as well. The charging port is over on the left side, right next to the carrying loop. So the speaker is running Bluetooth 5.1, which is giving you a nice stable connection. I've tested the speaker all throughout my house, and so far I haven't had any issues with dropouts or lost connections. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 5 hours on a single charge, which will vary somewhat depending on how loud you listen to the speaker. And to charge the speaker completely, you're looking at about 2.5 hours of charge time. You're also getting an IP67 dust and water resistant rating, which is going to give you some solid protection from the elements, so you don't have to worry if you're using the speaker outdoors and it happens to rain, or if you drop it in a pool of water, the speaker is going to hold up just fine. Now let's go ahead and get into the most important aspect, which is obviously the sound. So with a Bluetooth speaker this size, the intended use is going to be a lot more casual. So if it's just you and maybe a handful of friends enjoying a day at the park, at the pool, at the lake, this is going to be perfect. For those types of settings, the speaker is more than capable of giving you what you need in terms of sound. And for the size, it's pretty impressive how loud the speaker gets. Honestly, if you were having people over for a small get-together or some sort of event at your house, you could easily use the speaker for background music. Now, if you're having a full-on party, you'll obviously want to go with something a little bit larger. But overall, the sound comes in nice and clean, and there's no distortion even at max volume. Now, you're not getting a lot of hard-hitting deep bass, but at the same time, the speaker still gives you a very full sound so that it doesn't just sound like straight mids and highs. I'll go ahead and play a few audio samples. Just keep in mind it's not a full representation of the sound, it's just to give you guys an idea.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So overall, the question remains, do I think the JBL GO 3 is worth 40 bucks? And I definitely do. It's affordable, it's highly portable, and on top of that, it sounds great. So again, if you're interested in grabbing one, feel free to check out the affiliate links down in the description for the most up-to-date price. And it does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.